Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow collectors, to Busy Bee from Germany. Today, the sad talking Barbie from my pal goes to the hospital and gets a hip joint repair. We cure her. The process itself is very simple. As always, you need a bowl with hot water, a towel and some time. That's all you need for the moment. You take the leg and put it in the bowl. We, as the doctors, need to get the little piece of the plastic still waiting for us in the leg itself out. When you buy a talking Barbie, be sure that this little piece of plastic is still in the leg. If it's in the leg, the repair is very easy. You can buy replacement parts, but they are hard to find. They were not produced every week. But back to our joint. After a minute you can move the rubber of the leg. Then you get to the upper part of the joint. We need it for our repair. The next thing is a very much discussed one in the Barbie world. Some people use GB weld glue. I don't do it. I use MEK for this step. You have to repeat the brushing process several times. What MEK does is that in a way it resolves the plastic. I don't use very much, but enough to make the joint and the little part soft. It lasts several minutes until the plastic is soft. Take your time, it lasts several minutes. When you have the idea that both parts are soft, then you put the two parts together in the right position. Put them in the right position, then wait 24 hours until everything is hard again. MEK needs several time to dry. Our sad Barbie has to rest another night until she can walk again. After 24 hours you can get yourself a bowl with hot water again and put the leg in the hot water. Let it in there for another or 2 minutes. Then get it out of the bowl. Dry it with a towel. We don't want that the knee joint gets wet and causes ugly green stains. Then push the leg gently against the hip, but be careful. Legs of talking Barbies are very sensitive and the joints tend to break easily. In general, no problem, but we don't want do another second operation at the same day. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can donate anytime you want something to me for a new video. And thanks